Good morning, students. Now we're going to discuss Unit 1. Section Topic Class Fundamentals. Subtopic Introduction, Superclasses and Subclasses, Protected Members, Constructors in Subclasses. After learning this, we get the knowledge about to understand classes and objects, explain inheritance, and also we can create superclass and subclass and also use the protected members to understand the constructor execution in inheritance and also write a complete Java program using inheritance. Introduction to classes. Class is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines data and methods and also include constructors. Here one example is given. The class name is student and the variable name defined and also method display. Name is a data, display is a method. Inheritance. The definition of inheritance is a new class created from old class, and it allows only one class to acquire properties and methods of another class. These are all the inheritance benefits: code reusability, easy maintenance, extensibility, and support polymorphism. Here the syntax of inheritance given. First class is a parent class which is called base class or superclass, and the second class is child class which extends from parent class, that is base class. So parent class is a base class, child class is a subclass. Superclass and subclass. Superclass is a parent class that contains common properties. Subclass is inherits superclass members. It can add new features and also its parents' properties. Example, class animal, it having the method eat, and also the class dog extends from animal. So dog is a subclass, animal is a base class. Dog having its own method bark. Inheritance hierarchy. In that hierarchy, animal is a base class, dog and cat are the subclass. In our example program, animal base class having the method sound. After that, we create a dog subclass which extends from animal. It also having its own method bark. To access these methods, we cannot create, no need to create separate object for both class. So we create an object for subclass. It also having base class. So here we create object for dog. Protected members. Protected members can be accessed in the same class. It is one of the access specifier in the same package and subclasses. Example, employee, it having the data salary which is having the access specifier protected. The access modifiers or access specifiers, private, protected, public. If you are using private in your class which is used only inside the class, this protected access modifier used only in inheritance class. If you are representing public for your class, it can be accessed by all other classes. Constructor. The class name and the method name are same, then it is called constructor. It initializes the objects, same name as class, no return type, automatically invoked. There is no need to create an object while executing the program. Whenever the class object create an object, at the same time constructor called. Example, student, within that class name is also student, method name is also student. That method is called constructor. In subclass, when a subclass object is created, superclass constructor executes first, subclass constructor executes next. Example, animal is a class, it having the constructor animal. After that, we having the subclass dog, which extends animal, it having its own constructor dog. Super. Super is a keyword which calls the superclass constructor. For example, class animal. After that method animal, that is a constructor. This is a parameterized constructor. After dog extends animal. So dog is a subclass, animal is a base class. Dog having constructor dog. Within that, we are using the keyword super of dog, which inherits the methods and data from the base class. Advantages of inheritance: code reusability, reduced redundancy, easy maintenance, extensible programs, support polymorphism, better organization.